Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Purple on 3. So while I was down here in Hanover picking up my girl, my Spyder, I decided to bring TommyG to the outlet here for Utz. What are you getting there, TommyG?
I just came in for one thing.
Yeah, I see we have a buggy already.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys, they have everything here. I don't know if you've ever been here or are in love with their products. Look, they make stuff for Fridays. They make good health snacks. Boulder Canyon, dirty potato chips, Zaps, everything. I don't see any salads here. Oh, popcorn. Just a really cool place. And it's probably unfortunate for us that they were actually open, because now we're going to bring home some more junk food. Hey, maybe we'll bring it to Vam, huh? Oh wait, I want to take you into this room before I sign off. Oh, TommyG's got a friend here already. Look at him. One in each hand. So this room has even more stuff. If you're on a diet, don't come here. Look at this. You can get your favorite team. Tin from your favorite team. There's the old Pittsburgh Pirates and steel curtain. Oh yeah. Bills. What else? Who else we got here? Jets. Eagles. Goofy Bastard, are you an Eagles fan? I don't even know. Oh, college teams. We got Penn State. Wow, everything. All right, guys. I'm gonna sign off for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I suggest you come on down here if you want some cool snack foods. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. And always remember to begin each day with gratitude. Bye for now.